Hi students, we will see about business strategy 2 marks unit 3. So identify the major elements of industry environment. That is, what are the elements that is inside the industry environment? When you take it as an environment, what are the elements present there? So this is actually put forth by Porter's 5 forces. What are the Porter's 5 forces? That 5 forces will constitute the industry environment. Okay, what are those? The first thing is threat of new entrants. So that is when a company is providing some service, maybe we take some service like food delivery. So when there is a new company entering into the same business, then that is called as a threat of new entrants. It has to compete with the new entered which has entered newly into the competition. It has to compete with that company. So that is called as a threat of new entrants. So the second thing is bargaining power of buyers. So whether the buyer has a bigger bargaining power so as to determine the amount of sales of that particular company. So how much is the bargaining power, whether it will affect the company's sales, whether it will later bring down the pricing of the products that is given by the company. So that is called as the bargaining power of the buyers. Bargaining power of suppliers, whether the supplier has a high stand in bargaining with the price of the products that it is going to supply. Okay, when the suppliers have a large amount of quantity, then their bargaining power is less. For example, you have seen in news and all that there is a large amount of quantity production of tomatoes. It is being actually demolished, or it is being destroyed by the people who have actually cultivated it. That is happening because they don't have the bargaining power there to fix the pricing, because the quantity is very higher than the demand. So this is what the bargaining power of suppliers is actually the one of the industry environment. Then threat from substitute products or services. When your company produces something, when there is another company producing the same kind of products, then you are not actually the monopoly. So there are other companies producing the same kind of products or providing the same kind of services. So that is actually threat for the industry. So it cannot fix its own pricing. It cannot fix it fix like some higher hand won't be there for the company, because it has to see the environment and adjust itself so that to survive in the market. So there is a threat from the substitute products or services. Rivalry among the existing competitors, whether the existing other industry which is actually providing the same kind of services and products, whether they are rivals or they are friendly. Rivals means actually they have some difference of opinion from us. They are actually treating us like maybe somewhat equivalent to enemies, like that. That is called as a rivalry among the existing competitors. And these are the 5 forces which is given by the Porter. So to describe the elements of the industry environment. So the next question is, who are considered as competitors in business environment? So who are the competitors? The competitors are actually the company which provides the same kind of products or services to the same target market. So same kind of products or services. Okay. So what is that same target means? To the same people. So to the same customer segment, that is called as the to the same target market, satisfying the same customer needs. So depending on it, you can classify as direct competitors or indirect competitors. Direct competitors, companies that sell the same or very similar products or services to the same customers. So for example, a company which is producing umbrella. So if other company is producing the similar product, the umbrella, which is actually like threefold. I mean, the differences between the companies is like it is a one is producing the three-fold umbrella, one is producing a two-fold umbrella. So depending on which the products actually differs, but it is actually the similar products which satisfies the same customer needs. Okay, it is very similar. Okay, the product is actually umbrella. So these kind of companies are called as direct competitors. When there is other classification called the indirect competitors, where the company, another company provides the raincoat. When it is going to provide its product as a raincoat, then it satisfies the same customer need as not to be drenched in rain, but it has a different product. Okay, so it is not an umbrella, it is a raincoat. So but it satisfies the same customer needs. Okay, so then it is called as an indirect competitor. So the competitors can be classified as direct or indirect competitors. So these people are considered as competitors in business environment. Thank you.